take you through to page 4/15. Are there any amendments at all, or alterations or spelling mistakes, etc., before I ask for a mover and a seconder, please? There being none, I would ask for a mover. Move, Councillor Kirk. Second, Councillor Johnson. I'm now going to put the motion for those three sets. All those in favour? Thank you. Carried.
Sorry, Rick, I was just trying to find something that...
No problem.
There's a typo.
I'm going to bring up matters of arising.
Okay, yes, I will.
Okay, I'll now bring up matters of arising. Matters arising, sorry. On the three sets of...
Still can't find it.
Yep. Anybody else? While Councillor Heckling finds the page. Can staff answer the question, how are we going with the lease that we are trying to promote for the dirt jumps and trials park at Spa Park? Is that still progressing? Matters arising. Alice, Ms. Rawley? So looking good and progressing well? Cool. Did you want to talk about the Northcroft Reserve for Amusements? I'm sorry?
I found it now.
Yep. I think that's what you were on, was it?
Okay, under members' reports on 4/14, the Navy Band was at the Great Lakes Centre, not the Event Centre. It's only a minor, but just
Oh, okay, alteration, yep.
that's all.
Okay, no more further matters of arising. Moving now to agenda item number 5, draft solid waste bylaw 2000.